Dear students, let's discuss this question. This is question number 2A from exercise 10B. And first of all, look at the diagram given here on the right hand side of the board. You can see there is a pair of parallel lines AB and CD, and this arrow shows that these two lines are parallel to each other. And you can also see that there are two transversal lines which are intersecting this pair of parallel lines. PQ is one transversal, as whereas this RS is another transversal which is intersecting this pair of parallel lines. Now what we have to do is we have to calculate these four unknown angles. From this diagram we have to calculate the size of this angle A, B, C and D. Now first of all, we are going to look at this right side of the diagram. You can see that as this is a transversal and it is intersecting this pair of parallel lines, so the angle above the two parallel lines on the same side of the transversal, they constitute or they form a pair of corresponding angles. So this angle D and 78, these will be same in size. So angle D is said to be equal to 78. You can look at the left side of this board. D angle is equal to 78 degrees, and the reason is this is a pair of corresponding angles. So here in these types of questions you also have to give the logical reasons for your answers. Now if you look at the left side of this diagram, you can see angle A and another angle is given here 117 degree. So you can find a cross here. So this means that angle A and this angle 117 is a pair of vertically opposite angles, and these must be same in size. So I have written here angle A is equal to 117 degrees, and the reason is this is a pair of vertically opposite angles. Now if you look at this part of the diagram, you can again see that this transversal is intersecting this pair of two parallel lines. So angle A and angle B, as in the previous video I have told you people, this constitute or this forms a pair of alternate angles. So angle A and angle B are alternate angles. So if this angle is 117 degrees, then this must be 117 degrees, for the reason this is a pair of alternate angles. So I have written here B degree is equal to A degree, and this is going to be equal to 117 degrees, and the reason is this is a pair of alternate angles. Now fourth angle is left, and that is angle C. Now if you see, this is a straight line, and angle B, we know this is 117 degrees, and we have to calculate this angle C. As these are two adjacent angles on a straight line, and we know that sum of angles or adjacent angles on a straight line is equal to 180 degree. So as this 117 degree, we already have calculated that. So in order to calculate this angle C, we will subtract this 117 degree from 180 degree to get this angle. So I have done it here. I have calculated this angle by subtracting 117 from 180 degree, and I got 63 degree. And the reason behind it is the sum of adjacent angles on a straight line is 180 degrees. So this is how I have calculated all the four angles A, B, C and D by applying angle properties.